In a sprawling suburban home, hidden from the eyes of the regular-sized family living there, a tiny community thrived beneath the floorboards. These were miniature humans, no taller than a teaspoon, leading their secret lives using the family's forgotten trinkets and treasures. They lived in harmony, cherishing the peace of their micro-world. One bright morning, as the sunlight streamed through the gaps in the hardwood floor, chaos erupted in this miniature paradise. A new threat had infiltrated their home, a cunning, cheese-eating rodent. Its whiskers twitched with menace as it prowled through their village, knocking over tiny houses and stealing precious miniature food. Tiny Tim, the courageous, albeit slightly clumsy leader of this diminutive nation, called for an emergency council. We have to band together to get rid of this towering terror. If we don't act now, our homes will be destroyed by nightfall. Skeptical but determined, the council agreed. Each member had a unique skill. Lissy, with her deft hands, was an expert at crafting and constructing traps. Carter, the strategist, could outsmart even the trickiest of foes. Finally, Elara, known for her fiery spirit, was tasked with rallying the community. The first attempt was a disaster. Leaving breadcrumbs to lure the rodent only led it deeper into their village. Houses toppled and morale was low. Tiny Tim's vision of teamwork seemed further out of reach. Desperate but not defeated, they regrouped. Lizzie came up with the idea of using a thimble and a shoelace to create a snare. Carter devised a plan to lure the rodent towards it using bait crafted from leftover cheddar, and Elara inspired the group with a spirited speech about their shared strength. This time, their efforts synchronized beautifully. As the unsuspecting rodent crept toward the bait, Lizzie held her breath. Carter whispered instructions, and Elara rallied the community to be ready. With a sharp tug of the shoelace, the thimble fell, trapping the rodent partially and causing it to scamper and struggle. In a thrilling finale, the whole village worked as one, pushing and herding the furious rodent into a mouse-sized cage decorated with holiday lights, a relic from the big human's Christmas decor. As the rodent sat captured, twitching its nose in resigned surprise, Tiny Tim addressed his miniature citizens. We did it together. In unity, there's strength. This home is ours, and we will protect it. Cheers erupted from the crowd, echoing throughout the hidden crevices of the house. Peace had been restored to their miniature world, all due to the power of cooperation and an indomitable spirit. The tiny humans celebrated their victory long into the night, hoping the rodent would soon find a safer, distant home.